Today, I'm going to teach my friend the basic skills in basketball. First is dribbling. Dribbling means bouncing the ball on the floor using one hand. There are types of passing. We have chest pass, bounce pass, overhead pass. First, chest pass. A pass thrown from the chest level directly to teammate. The ball is pushed using both hands and travels straight without bouncing. This is the fastest and most accurate type of pass. Next is bounce pass, a pass where the ball is thrown to the floor so it bounces once before reaching a teammate. It is usually used to avoid defenders. Next is overhead pass, a pass thrown from above the head using both hands. This is commonly used to pass the ball over the defender or for long distance passes. Crossover is a dribbling move in basketball where a player quickly changes the ball from one hand to another. Example, from right hand to left hand to get past a defender. Shooting. Shooting in basketball is the skill of throwing or releasing the ball toward the basket. Within the aim of scoring points, it requires proper hand positioning, body, balance, focus, and coordination. When shooting, a player must bend their knees slightly, keep their eyes on the target.